NEXJECT is an all-in-one prefilled syringe that requires no assembly or ancillary supplies, designed for efficient medication delivery and ease of use. The NEXJECT syringe is designed with multiple levels of tamper-evident and tamper-resistant technology that may help prevent drug diversion. A few distinct features of NEXJECT syringe include all-in-one design, conveniently fits in automated dispensing machines. NEXJECT is not packaged in a blister pack, helping maximize storage space. And NEXJECT comes in packs of 10 to help assist with narcotic counts. Now, let's review the instructions for use for NEXJECT syringe. Before using NEXJECT, remember to visually inspect the product. You'll want to look for broken tamper-evident seals, cracked glass, leaking drug, and any particulate matter. If any of the above is present, do not use the product and obtain a new one. Confirm that the medication order matches the drug name, strength, dose, and route of administration. If any of these items don't match the order, obtain the appropriate medication. Do not place the syringe in a sterile field. To prevent needle stick injuries, needles and blunt cannulas should not be recapped, purposely bent, or broken by hand. Step 1. Twist off the plunger rod cover to break the tamper-evident seal and discard the cover. Step 2. Gently twist the luer tip cover to break the tamper-evident seal on it. Pull the luer tip cover off of the syringe, making sure you do not touch the luer end of the syringe. Discard the cover. Step 3. Expel the air by gently advancing the plunger rod. Step 4. If you need to adjust the medication dose, expel the extra volume from the syringe based on your facility's protocol. Step 5. After appropriately preparing the administration site, connect the NEXJECT luer to an access device or attach a needle or blunt cannula if needed. Ensure the connection is secure and deliver the medication. After use, discard the used syringe into an appropriate receptacle. If you have any questions about NEXJECT, please contact your Pfizer sales representative or visit pfizerhospitalus.com/NEXJECT. Please see the instructions for use for NEXJECT in the description below and at nexject.com/IFU. Start an order by contacting your Pfizer sales representative or visit pfizerhospitalus.com.